Hey guys, Willie Myette, creator of Jazzedge. Welcome to lesson 27 of Jazz Piano Daily. Today we are going to be talking about how to make another incredibly simple 2-5-1 lick. So this is number 2, but now we're also bringing in those rootless chord voicings. So let's pull up the music and let's get started. First of all, the rootless chord voicings right here. I've already talked about these rootless chord voicings in other Jazz Piano Daily lessons. So I'm just going to play the notes for you and you can grab it right from there. So the notes here are F, A, C, E for the D minor 7. For the G7 chord, just move that C down to the B and then keep that B and then move the other 3 notes down from there. Okay, so D minor 7. One note moves down for G7, and then that note sticks, and the other 3 move down from there, all right? Now, when moving them, don't play the chord like that, obviously. Play all of the notes of the chord. Make sure that you're grabbing at those chords. See, grabbing in, grabbing in. All right, so let me do this. Let's put on the backing track here, all right? And then I'm just going to play those chords, right? And you play them along with me. Here we go. Here we go. D minor, G7, C major. And just repeat that. D minor, G7, C major. Okay, so you can go back and re-watch that if you need to. Now let's move on to the lick. All right, so now in this lick, we are starting on the 5th of the 2 chord, and we're kind of just moving right up our upper structure. So we're playing the 5th, the flatted 7th, and then this is the 9th, and then we come up to the 11th. So again, we're starting on that upbeat, and then we come back up to that 11th, and then see how it kind of cradles and encloses that 7th of the G. And then from here, it's 4, 3, 2, 1, crossover, 3, 2, 1, 2, and then we go to the 5th of the C major. Okay? The scale that we're coming down from the G is our G Mixolydian scale. It's the same thing as a G major scale, except we flat that 7th, okay, to a flat 7 instead. The D minor 7 is really just using all notes from that D minor chord, and then also adding in the 9 and 11 up there as well. So let's just play it together. I'm going to do it nice and slow, all right? I'm going to put the band on. We'll put the band on 90 beats per minute, and we'll go through and we'll play it 4 times. Here we go. All right, so you try playing with me, even if it's just the right hand, that's okay. Add a little rhythm here, check it out. Check out this one. Play it 4 times. That's the 5th time, and I changed it around on you. Okay, so you see how you can play around with these licks, and you can use them as like a springboard. Okay, I like that. I like that. Okay, but you can play around with that. You don't have to, play all of those notes exactly as is. What I did there, I went to the flat 9. Remember we did that flat 9 in yesterday's lesson? 3, 2, 1, 2, 1. I could also do this. All right, so you see how I can go down to the natural 9 and then play the flat 9. Real nice sound there. Right? So anyway, play around with this lick. Right? We're going to be doing more of these licks. So if you like this sound and you like these licks, please do me a favor. Leave a comment below the video. Let me know that you like this. I would tell you honestly, that feedback that I get that's what spurs on these lessons. So if students say, hey, look, I'd like to learn more about that, well, guess what? That's what I do the lesson on. So if you have any suggestions for lessons, just leave them right in the comment section right below. Also, if you would like to grab the sheet music for the lesson, you can just go right back to jazzpianodaily.com or check out that card that just popped up in the top right part of the video on YouTube. All right, if you like these videos, you like the channel, please do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like this video, turn on notifications, and then thanks a lot, guys, for watching. I really appreciate it. I'm Willie Myette. I'll see you back at Jazz Piano Daily.